Et coucou tout le monde, c'est Lazerlex et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour la partie 3 de la découverte de l'histoire principale de Genshin Impact. La dernière fois on s'était laissé dans le petit village ici, ou ailleurs dans la région, dans la vidéo d'exploration qui est sortie la dernière fois sur la chaîne. Donc je vous propose d'y aller et de découvrir ce que l'histoire nous réserve. Alors est-ce que je suis bien sur ça? Oui, c'est bon, ok. On va y aller. Donc c'est par là. Donc on va prendre les plaines de Bakato, je sais pas quoi là. Et écoutez, je vous retrouve quand j'y suis. Ok, un arc. On va monter tranquille. Les petites entrées du village. Bon alors voilà, nous y sommes. Donc c'est la maison qui est juste là je pense. Donc on va y aller. On va aller voir. Ici là? Ouais c'est ça.
According to the letter, this should be the place.
Sorry, we don't serve the general public. I'm afraid you'll have to leave.
Ah carrément. Vous dégagez et puis c'est tout.
Wait! We're not the general public.
Well then, you must be a couple of wandering outlanders that snuck into the nation, judging by your attire.
Eh, perspicace elle hein.
Are our clothes really so... what time...
The Yashiro Commission's seal. This
Mr.
must
Toma.
be from Mr. Toma. In which case, welcome to the Komore Tea House, a safe haven for the Yashiro Commission.
Well, that sounds more like it.
Elle est déjà plus sympa hein, quand on lui montre. Du coup faut entrer là-dedans. Ok, let's go.
Well, now that we're here, where's Toma?
Bah je ne sais pas. Il est quelque part.
Paimon doesn't see him anywhere. Do you think he forgot his promise to meet us?
Alors, il n'y a pas Thomas, mais il y a un petit chien. Et il a l'air plutôt sympa.
Who forgot their promise?
Oh putain, il
I
parle.
was beginning to think you'd forgotten about me.
Attendez. C'est le chien qui parle là ou c'est une farce, il est juste derrière le comptoir?
What? Is that dog talking to us?
Relax, no need to look so surprised. I take it this is the first time you've seen me
Non,
in
sérieux,
this
il peut
form?
vraiment se transformer en chien?
Huh. So you didn't see anything like this when you were in Liyue Harbor?
Non.
Ah, now that you mention it, this does suddenly seem less out of the ordinary.
Je sais reconnaître un chien quand j'en ai.
Alright, I've had my fun.
Ouais, c'était sûr, il était caché derrière.
Hey, you're this close to getting an ugly nickname, mister.
Well, I've had some time to kill, given that I've been waiting here for you for so long. So I came up with this little fun greeting for when you arrived.
C'est vrai que c'était marrant. En vrai, c'était marrant.
But in all seriousness, I would like to apologize about that little test you went through earlier. Though it was quite necessary.
Quel
It
petit
helped us
test.
determine whether or not to bring you before Miss Kamisato, and whether you had the courage to face the lightning alongside us.
D'accord.
Don't think that Paimon's gonna forgive you just because you're getting all serious now.
Sorry, did I overdo it? My apologies.
Ouais. Alors, est-ce qu'on va passer votre test, le courage d'affronter la foudre? On va demander si on a
Let
passé
me
le
just
test.
say this. You've often found yourself skirting the rules from the very
Bien sûr,
beginning,
je suis le
haven't you?
héros. Il n'y a pas de loi.
Naturally, this is due to your unwavering and resolute determination. A long time ago, we had a friend who was much the same. But when the lightning struck...
Vous voulez dire l'ami de Kazuha? Vous voulez dire qu'il est mort en duel devant le trône? Ouais, l'ami de Kazuha.
Ah, so you've heard of his story. His light still burns all the more brightly.
La Shigara... Attends. Shirazagi Imegimi. C'est la shogun?
Yes, of course. I will bring you to the Kamisato residence where the Yashiro
pas.
Commission is located. But before that, there is one other place I was hoping you both would accompany me to.
Ah, on va faire un détour.
Where?
I would like you to come with me to the statue of the omnipresent god. It's still under construction now, but you can already see it from practically anywhere on Narukami Island.
Ok. On va aller voir la grande statue. Let's go. Du coup, attendez, avant d'y aller, on va juste vite fait explorer. Donc déjà, il y a le patron du salon. Attends, c'est vraiment le patron du salon de thé, lui? Oh putain, la vache. Ça, c'était sûr. Scara, ouais, nice, ok, de la viande. Oh, c'est mignon ici. Ok. C'est quoi ça? C'est un concert? On peut faire des trucs avec, je sais pas. S'asseoir. D'accord, c'est une table en contrebas comme ça, ok. Et on a ramassé un bouquin chronique de Sangoi, je sais pas quoi. Ok. Sympathique le petit salon de thé, moi j'aime bien. C'est vraiment un endroit où on va revenir plusieurs fois. Dans les différentes quêtes. Le pire c'est que c'est vraiment un endroit. Alors on doit aller où? Là-bas. On va suivre hein, pour l'instant. Le village est très sympa en tout cas. Voilà, on est arrivé à la statue, donc on va aller voir. Elle est plutôt belle et j'aime bien les petits trucs qu'il y a là, sur les ailes. On va voir ce qu'elle vaut la statue.
This area sure feels gloomy. People probably don't come here. Are Paimon's eyes playing tricks? Or are there things embedded
Ah bah
in
tiens,
the
je vais remarquer
statue?
avant elle.
Visions.
Ah, c'est des yeux divins.
Visions? You mean all the visions that are collected from the Vision Hunt degree are put into the statue?
Ah ouais,
So
d'accord.
you've already heard of the Vision Hunt decree. Before I try to explain, I should perhaps remind you first that Mondstadt is the city of freedom, and
Ouais, c'est
Liyue
des-
is the
la
city of
liberté et Liyue,
contracts.
celle des contrats.
As for Inazuma, it's known as the Nation of Eternity.
La nation de
The
l'éternité,
Raiden
ouais.
Shogun is both the nation's most powerful ruler and its deity.
Et sa divinité. Ok.
The Eternity in question is her endless and unchanging will to rule over Inazuma. As such,
Ouais.
she relies on the Tri-Commission to regulate the nation's affairs and the Sakoku Decree to limit the people's movement. The Shogun wishes to keep Inazuma in stasis, allowing the stream of time to flow from one end to the other without disturbing it for all time.
Seems like every
Ah,
god
d'accord,
has
je
their
vois.
own will.
Of course, this is my own limited understanding. As for the reason behind the recent Vision Hunt decree,
Ouais, elle a sûrement d'autres raisons
perhaps the
secrètes. Hein.
Shogun believes that visions grant people the power to change, and that her eternity doesn't allow for such instability to exist.
Ouais, je suis assez d'accord avec ce
Whatever
qu'il
the
dit.
case, the fact is that the Raiden Shogun has dispatched the Tenryo Commission to scour the nation for visions, embedding each one in this
Mais du
statue.
coup, non, nous on n'a pas de divin.
And this
ça devrait
statue
être
of
bon.
the omnipresent god can be seen as Inazuma's symbol of eternity.
But if that's the case, wouldn't you say that the Raiden Shogun is being...
Only outlanders such as yourselves would ever dare speak out so directly against the Raiden Shogun. And yet, I agree. The Vision Hunt decree is something that simply should not exist. And Miss Kamisato has been committed to fighting it since the day.
Ah, la flemme de. Oula! Oula, oula! Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Huh? Hey, are you okay? You look like your mind is elsewhere.
C'était quoi ça? C'était bizarre.
Sound? What sound? I didn't hear anything. Did something happen?
Yeah, you touched the statue, and then what?
D'accord.
Aspirations?
Les espoirs.
That would seem to confirm the saying. Have you heard it before? that when a person's ambition reaches a certain strength, the gods look upon them with favor. That
Ouais.
is where visions come from. In other words, a person's vision represents their ambition.
Ouais.
So if what you just said is true, then the ambitions of these people are stronger than I imagined.
Donc un œil divin, c'est le
Alright.
symbole de l'ambition.
Time for the
Ouais.
next stop on our tour of Narukami Island, the Kamisato residence.
De l'île Narukami, la résidence Kamisato. Allons voir la résidence Kamisato alors. J'ai envie de la voir moi là. Oh là. Par contre on a une de ces vues là. Je suis désolé hein, mais je vais prendre un screen. Par contre le garde t'es vraiment mal passé. Cette vue ou cette vue? Je vais en prendre deux au pire. Attendez 2 secondes. Je prends une vue là. Et j'en prends une là. Nickel. Donc la résidence Kamisato, où est-ce que ça se trouve ça? Ah! Ah oui! Bon, donc ce qu'on va faire, parce que j'ai pas trop envie de perdre de temps, je vais aller à la résidence Kamisato et on se retrouve là-bas. Je vais prendre les téléporteurs en chemin, comme ça sera fait. Donc je vous dis à tout à l'heure. Donc là, bon, je reprends un tout petit peu avant. On est arrivé à une forêt vraiment très magnifique. Je voulais vous montrer ce passage parce que là, vraiment, c'est super beau. Ça s'appelle la forêt de Shijin, je crois. Shinju, voilà, la forêt de Shinju. Et regardez-moi ça, quoi. C'est d'une beauté. Franchement, je vous avoue que je sais pas trop quoi dire. C'est juste magnifique. On va prendre un petit panorama. Oh, c'est beau. C'est super beau. Voilà. Bon allez, je reprends là-bas. Du coup voilà, nous arrivons à notre petite maison, donc on a quitté la forêt de Shinshin là, et nous arrivons dans la résidence Kamisato. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? C'est quoi ce délire? What? Mais... C'est quoi ce bordel? Pourquoi il y a un... Pourquoi il y a une espèce de petit panda ou je sais pas quoi là? Où il est parti. En tout cas, il y a un panda qui nous a accueillis. Pourquoi pas. On va activer le téléporteur. Nice, niveau 45. Ça, c'est bien ça. Ok, let's go. Cool. Ok, ça a l'air plutôt sympa. Ah, et d'accord, et c'est ici qu'on a le truc d'Inazuma. Ok. Et c'est là-dedans qu'il faut aller. Franchement, c'est une big porte. Hein. Et bah, let's go. Allons voir ce que nous réserve cette Kamisato.
So, this is the kind of place where the big shots of Inazuma live, huh? Paimon kinda expected it to be
Un peu plus kosu.
snazzier.
Kosu. Je ne comprends pas ce mot. Difficile de rivaliser avec la chambre de jade, d'essayer de rivaliser avec le domaine de l'or. Jambe de jade.
Welcome at last to the Kamisato residence, honored guest. Miss Kamisato is delighted to finally meet you.
Bah, je suis aussi ravi
Is
de la
this
faire. Hein.
the Shirasage Himegimi
Connaissance, hein.
you keep going on about? So,
Shirazagi et Megami.
where's she at?
Donc, vous n'avez pas arrêté de parler. Elle est où? Elle est juste là.
Oh, behind the screen?
Yes. As the daughter of the Yashiro Commission, this is how Miss Kamisato is accustomed to receiving guests.
C'est une blague.
Consider it a time-honored tradition within the Yashiro Commission. Forgive me if this is an unwelcome surprise.
Makes sense. She's a super important person after all.
Ouais, enfin,
Please
quand même.
forgive my lack of courtesy for receiving you in this fashion, especially following such a long and wearisome journey over the sea.
Ouais, mais moi je veux
I
voir
have
ton visage.
awaited your arrival with great anticipation. And Toma assures me that you do indeed possess the power to change the tide of the times.
Oui.
At present in Inazuma, in the name of the Vision Hunt Decree, the people's aspirations are being senselessly trampled underfoot. Though the Yashiro Commission serves the Shogun,
Sympa le
it is the
kimono là.
people with whom we
J'ai bien
share close
pyjama.
bonds, given the contact we are required to have with them in the performance of our duties.
Ok.
A commission's power rises and falls with the trust of their people. Thus, we cannot remain indifferent to this situation without also remaining indifferent to our own fate.
C'est sûr que c'est pas ouf.
Traveler, lend us your power, and we can...
Alors, je suis ici pour rencontrer la Shogun Raiden, je suis pas là pour lancer une rébellion. Ah, on a un choix plutôt difficile à faire. Soit on lui dit non, je veux pas faire de rébellion, soit on lui dit aussi un peu la même chose, mais plus avec plus de courtoisie en mode en fait je veux voir la Shogun Raiden et pas faire de rébellion. Après une rébellion, bon, c'est pas le truc non plus insane à faire quoi. Je pense qu'on va dire plutôt je suis ici pour rencontrer. On va dire la vérité, on va dire la vérité.
Oh,
See, milady, it's just like I said. This will take us nowhere.
Je vais partir à présent. Ah bah non.
no, please! Wait! Please, don't go!
Qu'y a-t-il?
I will introduce you to the Raiden Shogun on one condition. You
Ah,
must fulfill 3
ça,
small
c'est plutôt
wishes on
sympa.
my behalf.
ok,
What are
vas-y.
your wishes?
They
Propose-
pertain to 3 whose visions were taken from them. Perhaps once you've met them, you will understand.
Ok, va falloir rencontrer 3 personnes qui ont été confisquées de leur rail divin par la Shogun. Donc on écoute Kamisato Ayaka. Ah, c'est Ayaka, d'accord.
A warrior who guards a village. A
J'avais pas
former
encore compris que c'était
samurai
Ayaka.
who helped carry out the Vision Hunt Decree, and a swordmaster determined to become the
Donc,
best
un
in the
guerrier qui
world.
garde un village, un ancien samouraï qui a contribué à l'exécution du décret de saisie, et un maître épéiste déterminé à devenir le meilleur au monde.
Correct.
Va falloir rencontrer ces 3 personnes.
Please do all you can to help them. I will await your return here.
Bah franchement, moi j'accepte, ça me va.
Then you have my gratitude.
De rien.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Merci Thomas. On dirait que c'est notre daron. Ok. Donc, l'utilité d'une attente inutile en rendez-vous au village de Konda pour comprendre la situation. Ok, est-ce qu'on peut regarder derrière? Ah bah non, elle est partie. Bon, on va vite fait explorer vite fait la demeure. Voir ce qu'on peut trouver. Voilà, il y a des bouquins un peu partout qu'on va prendre. Que je lis jamais, mais qu'on va prendre quand même. Sinon, ça a l'air d'être une maison basique. Il y a des katanas. Il y a ceci là. Ce petit pyjama et c'est tout. Est-ce qu'on peut... Non, on peut pas prendre. Bon bah, go sortir hein. Alors, pour l'instant on est encore dans des trucs de conditions de contrat, dans des trucs un peu politiques et tout ça. Je vous avoue que c'est pas le truc que je préfère quoi. Parler de politique, bof. Du coup voyons ça. Je voudrais voir du coup. Non, je peux pas. On va voir si je peux ou pas. On s'en fout de ce qu'il dit. Hein. Il va pas dire grand chose d'intéressant. Ok. Pour l'instant, on peut pas faire tout ça. C'est chiant. Ça a l'air d'être différent. Y a pas un truc là? Non.
How will the Sokoku decree affect
Toda.
that?
Pas de ref. Je sais pas qui c'est. Après, on peut monter tout là-haut et tout. Ça, on verra ça beaucoup plus tard, hein, si on le fait, si on doit y aller. Le sanctuaire de Narukami. Ça a l'air très sympa comme endroit. Mais d'abord, il va falloir qu'on nage dans ce village qu'on est déjà allé explorer. Donc pour l'instant, bon, ça y est, on a fait un peu le tour. Il y a encore toute la partie un peu montagneuse et tout qu'on n'a pas exploré ici. Mais déjà, on a fait une bonne partie de la région là. Je vous rappelle évidemment qu'il y a 2 autres îles encore à explorer. Que celle-ci, on est encore loin de l'avoir fini. Hein. On n'est qu'à 17% en explo. D'ailleurs, ça m'étonne quand même qu'il y a autant de pourcentage en vrai. Mais voilà. Sachant qu'en plus, il y aura 3 encore autres îles qui vont apparaître plus tard. Parce que ça sera dans la 2.3 normalement. Si mes informations sont bonnes, c'est la 2.3. Bon, du coup, sur ce, on va aller dans le petit village de Konda. Voilà. Et je vous retrouve là-bas. Ok.
Let's see. Where's the person Ayaka told us about?
Voyons voir où est la personne dont Ayaka nous a parlé.
Why are you doing this? Why leave all of a sudden, after all these years?
Donc ça doit être lui. Alors, du coup, le monsieur là.
Precisely. It's much
Oh, il a une
too
petite voix de
sudden.
vieillard.
We've had no time to prepare. The children are desperate for you to take them out to play. Please, we urge you to reconsider.
That must
Oh
be the
no.
guy Ayaka told us about. Let's
Ouais, c'est sûrement lui. C'est même obligé que ce soit lui, on va pas se mentir. Donne des informations aux habitants. Alors par contre, le vieux là, qui est juste là, lui je suis sûr que je l'ai déjà vu dans l'île.
Ah, you must also be here to try and convince Tejima to stay. Tejima has protected this place ever since he arrived here 30 years ago, keeping
Ouais.
out the treasure hoarders, fending off any monsters that draw near, resolving quarrels between the villagers. He has put an enormous... But now, all of a sudden, he says he plans to leave us. We can't help but wonder. We will gladly apologize if that's the case. All
Ah.
we want is for him to
En
stay.
gros, lui là. En gros, lui, il protège le village, des monstres et tout, et là maintenant il veut partir parce que je sais plus quoi, là, Shogun Raiden, elle lui a pris son œil divin, machin chouette, du coup là il a perdu confiance en lui, et maintenant il part, et eux ils ont besoin de lui en fait. C'est un peu triste l'histoire. Quand Jiro, qu'est-ce que tu me dis toi?
If you want my opinion, something to do with... It's
Toi, t'as bien
clear
les
that
idées claires.
Tejima had done nothing wrong, and still they confiscated his vision. After that, he became a completely different person. I can't claim to fully understand it, but I could tell that he'd lost something. Truth be told,
seems like he's a well.
Ah bon, il parle à peu près de la même chose, hein, de l'œil divin, voilà, tac tac, ils l'ont perdu. On va parler maintenant à Tejima.
You must be Tejima. So what's made you want to up and leave all of a sudden?
Me? It's not a question of why I want to
Pour moi, n'est pas de
leave,
savoir pourquoi je
but a
t'arrête.
question of what reason I would have to stay.
Alors on lui donne quoi comme raison? Vous vivez depuis longtemps ici? Ça serait pas mieux que vous viviez ici depuis longtemps? Je sais pas. Et tout le monde compte sur vous. Je pense que la nostalgie qui vit depuis longtemps ici, ça serait mieux.
True, but that's not why I chose to stay here. And what made me want to come here 30 years ago? And why have I never wanted to leave in all that time? I don't have answers to those questions because I can't remember anymore. Ever since they took my vision away,
Ah,
it's
ah
like
non, c'est dur ça.
a slice of my memory
Oh
is gone.
non, putain. Oh non, mais je sais pas si vous vous rendez compte que c'est horrible, franchement, de perdre sa mémoire. C'est juste horrible.
In the past, I knew I wanted to
Et
stay
ça, c'est un
here.
exemple parfait.
But whatever resolve I had then, it's gone now. So I thought, what's to stop me from moving around instead?
Okay. Well, in that case, if we help you rediscover the reason you chose to stay, you won't need to leave anymore, right?
Ça paraît évident.
But if you can't remember anything, oh,
Et comment tu comptes t'y
if you
prendre,
just
Paimon?
try a little harder to remember, then it'll all come flooding back.
Oh, that reminds me. Last time I brought Tejima some fruit, I do believe I saw him.
Un journal.
I keep a diary?
Oh, yes, you do. And what's more, I remember you saying at the time that you wanted to make a note of a few
Perfect! So if we
Voilà.
want to keep Tejima from
Comme
leaving,
de par hasard, il y a un
we
journal.
just need to find his diary. It must be around here somewhere.
If you don't mind, we will leave you.
Trouvons le journal de Tejima. Donc, pour trouver le journal de Tejima, on active ça. Bon, on n'a rien trouvé, mais c'est pas grave. Ça doit être quelque part par là. Et il est juste là? Non mais... Il n'y a même pas à chercher, il est juste devant. Sérieux.
This looks like Tejima's diary, all right. Let's see what we have here. Today, the villagers and I got together to cook dried braised salted fish. I messed up and burned mine a little, so I had to pretend that it was black snakehead instead.
La tête de serpent.
Today, I helped rescue a kid who had
Oh,
fallen in
il
the
est
water.
mignon, il a
After
secoué
I
un
pulled
enfant.
him out, he told me that his best friend Bamboo was still in the water. I searched the water the whole afternoon before finding out that Bamboo was the name of his pet crab.
Oh non, ça c'est les conneries qui arrivent ça. Oh, ce genre de truc c'est
I
horrible.
went kite flying today. The string broke, so I chased after it as fast as I could. I soon realized I was never going to get it back. So I just found somewhere to sit and watch as it flew away into
En fait,
the
c'est un
distance.
gentil petit bonhomme qui aide les gens et qui fait sa vie pépère, quoi. Avec des accidents par-ci par-là.
Seems like your average diary of daily village life.
Tout à fait.
Huh? Wait, there's more! I
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a
went to
d'autre?
pray at the shrine again today and stayed there a while. The Omamori you gave me has faded a little, but it is still my most treasured possession. Now that's the kind
D'accord.
of info we're looking for. Time to...
Donc a priori, il a un objet précieux au sanctuaire qui se trouve juste là. Du coup, c'est ça un sanctuaire. Examiner les traces.
So this is the Omamori Tejima wrote about. Interesting. Looking at the color and the design, Paimon would have thought
C'est
it
quoi,
but
c'est un
anyway.
petit sac?
If he had this with him all the time, there's a chance some of his elemental energy remained on it. Do you think that it might come in handy?
Je sais pas si ça pourrait être utile, mais en tout cas, j'aime bien. Trouvez des indices grâce à votre vue élémentaire. Encore. Putain. Oh. Ah, ils sont mieux design leurs indices maintenant. C'est beaucoup plus stylé ça. Moi je vous le dis. Ça veut dire que c'est dans le bois? Non, c'est pas dans le bois. C'est pas dans le bois, on est d'accord. Regardez.
Here we are. This seems to be somewhere that Tejima visited a lot.
D'accord, mais qu'est-ce
The
qu'ils y
soil
faisaient en
looks
fait?
like it's been disturbed. Maybe Tejima buried something precious here. Something that must be something
Ah.
pretty amazing if it made him stick around for 30 years. Let's dig it up and take a look.
Ouais, mais en fait, non, faut pas le déterrer, c'est quelque chose de précieux.
It looks like
Oula, 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 une lettre de papier jauni.
must have been written a really long time
Alors,
ago.
est-ce que c'est une lettre de, je sais pas, son ex, sa femme, sa petite amie, va savoir? Un de ses proches? C'est sûr que c'est un de ses proches.
Honda Village. Sounds so familiar.
Alors, que dit cette
Where is
lettre?
that place again?
Si nous sommes séparés dans cette guerre, attendez-moi au village de Konda, où il doit y avoir un foyer pour nous en paix. D'accord. Donc c'est, je dirais, une amoureuse? Je vois que ça.
Huh. So the reason Tejima came here was to wait for someone.
Putain, il a attendu quelqu'un pendant 30 ans,
But
c'est
he's
chaud.
been here for 30 years. Oh, guess they didn't show up. Well, let's go give Tejima his stuff back and take it from there.
C'est triste quand même. Attendre quelqu'un pendant 30 ans. Franchement, j'aurais pas la patience d'attendre quelqu'un pendant 30 ans, moi je vous le dis. Bon alors, comment il va réagir?
Well, I'll be. That's certainly my handwriting. And I guess the Omamorian letter belonged to me too.
Mhm.
But I have no memory of anything that's written in this diary. Still, it's clear that I was waiting for someone here, and that I chose to wait for
C'est
30
que ça valait le coup
years.
quand même s'il a attendu 30 ans, non?
Over the years, I must have made a note of anything interesting. Anything that I could share with her when we were finally reunited.
Bonne déduction de Devila.
And just look at all the things that did happen over the years. How could I have forgotten something so important to me? Love, regrets, everything I felt for her. It's all disappeared.
Donc c'est bien sa demoiselle en détresse, quoi. Amour, regret.
No, not especially. After all, I've forgotten who she was. Her face, her voice,
Oh
the
non.
things we experienced together.
Pourquoi y a que
It's
des
as
trucs
if she'd never
tristes?
been in my life to begin with. As if all these years have been nothing but a hazy dream.
Non, tu peux pas dire ça, gros. Genre.
I think maybe not. If this is something I waited most of my life for, I suppose I should carry on waiting.
Ouais, mais comment tu vas faire pour la reconnaître?
Although, what if she were to turn up eventually, only to find I didn't remember so much as her name?
Ah si, clairement.
When I think about it like that, I do feel how curious. Why am I thinking like this when I don't even remember who she is?
Ce qui est-
It's just like that feeling of emptiness, the feeling that something is...
Ouais, je connais bien ce sentiment.
Thank you both for helping me reconnect with my reason for staying here. I shall remain here and keep waiting for her.
Ah bah au final, on lui a fait changer d'avis. Hein.
Seems to be dealing,
Mais son histoire est vraiment
Okay.
triste.
but still, it makes Paimon really sad.
De fou. Genre, comment tu fais pour pas être triste? Faut avoir un cœur de pierre, là. Perdre la raison et se sentir triste est peut-être la chose la plus triste au monde. Oula, c'est un peu compliqué à dire,
Seems
honnêtement.
it's just like Ayaka and Toma were saying. If you lose your vision, you lose all your hopes and dreams too. That certainly explains the state Tejimo was in earlier. At least we were able to help him.
Ouais.
Well,
Allez, quoi, la personne suivante?
according to Miss Kamisato, the second one who lost their vision
Donc,
is a
que les vies
samurai from the
intentionnées soient bien
Tenryou Commission.
traitées. Trouver la prochaine personne dont on a saisi l'œil divin. Alors, où elle se trouve la prochaine personne? Évidemment, elle se trouve par ici. Voilà, on est arrivé, on n'a plus que quelques mètres à faire dans le petit village, voilà. Avec la falaise en haut. On voit la statue d'ailleurs. D'en bas plutôt, on voit la statue d'en bas. Ah, cette fois c'est un samouraï.
They say the Tenryou Commission is directly controlled by the Shogun. They're the ones responsible for maintaining law and order in Inazuma. But
Ouais.
why would they take action against one of their own?
Je ne sais pas.
Paimon doesn't get it. Huh? There seems to be some commotion over there. Let's go see what's happening.
I'll ask one more time. Do you intend to withhold this month's emergency provisions?
Tes provisions d'urgence pour le mois.
The entire clan is counting on that food. We demand an explanation.
Oula, c'est une bataille entre frères ou Yakuza, je sais pas.
How many times do I have to say it? I don't know anything about emergency provisions.
Combien de fois dois-je vous le dire? Je ne sais rien sur ces provisions d'urgence.
You dare deceive us? Those provisions are essential. Do you understand? Not some goods to be pocketed by greedy samurai.
You samurai think you can just do whatever you please? The Tenryou Commission will hear of this.
Des provisions d'urgence, comme par exemple de la nourriture.
Oh, huh? And who are you? One of Kurosawa's gang, no doubt.
Non, pas du tout.
What? We just happened to be passing by. We heard the commotion and came to see what the matter was.
Effectivement.
I see. You seem to have come just at the right time. Perhaps you can help us settle this matter.
Bah ouais, moi je veux bien me
This
régler
is
ton problème.
Kurosawa. He's a samurai and a member of the Shogun's army. They
fait partie
issue
de l'armée
emergency
de
provisions to the area,
Shogunat.
and he's the one
Ok.
responsible for distribution.
Ouais.
In the past, we'd simply ask him for provisions and everything would be delivered. Now, he suddenly refuses to give us anything.
Je vois.
He's keeping the provisions for himself. I just know it. We'll starve without them.
No one seems to care about us. We used to think Kurosawa was a kind man, but he's shown his true colors. He's the same as all the other samurai.
En tout cas, il y a une petite haine contre les
It's
samouraïs
no
là.
wonder all the visions have been confiscated. The Raiden Shogun doesn't need people like him helping her rule the nation.
Oula, c'est un peu dur ce que tu dis quand même
This
là.
must be one of the people Ayaka asked us to help. But why would she ever want us to help someone like him?
T'inquiète pas, ma petite Lemon, je suis sûr qu'il y a une raison.
Maybe we should talk to Kurosawa and see what he has to say.
Bah oui, c'est la meilleure des solutions en fait. La meilleure des idées. Bon alors, qu'est-ce que t'as à dire pour ta défense?
I've never even heard of these emergency provisions.
D'accord.
I don't know whether it's rumors or whether they're trying to blackmail me. But either way, it's ridiculous. If I was hoarding supplies, would I still be the poor man I am today?
Donc il est pauvre.
My own family can barely get by as it is. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got other matters to attend to. And that's the first bit of truth I've heard all day. The Shogun's army told me that I was unworthy of my vision. And they said I was slacking off in my work. Apparently, I'd even disappointed the Raiden Shogun. And that's why they confiscated.
Par contre, ça risque d'être que des histoires
You're
tristes
helping
là.
enforce the Vision Hunt decree. Why would you be unworthy of your vision?
Ouais.
To be perfectly honest, I don't seem to remember the details. All I know is that I would perform certain things every month. But I don't recall what they were.
C'est encore un oubli.
It's not just that. I have this unsettling feeling, like someone owes me something.
Does it have to
D'accord.
do with the missing emergency provisions?
I didn't take any. Like I said, if I was taking them for myself, I wouldn't be going through such hard times right now. To top it all off, my house was just raided by treasure hoarders, which is why I came here in the first place. I was chasing after them when I got held up by these two. If you don't believe me, go find the treasure hoarders yourself. If there were any emergency provisions to be had.
Huh. He seems to be telling
Ouais,
the
c'est sûr que là pour un
truth.
mensonge, c'est plutôt bien ficelé. Hein.
But we better confirm. Let's go round up those treasure hoarders and see what... We should be able to follow their tracks. They couldn't have gone too far.
Allez, un peu de combat, ça fait pas de mal. Vous voyez qu'ils sont partis, par là, go. Allons les débusquer, les buter là. Est-ce qu'on voit quelque chose? Pour l'instant, je vois rien. Il doit être juste là, c'est ça. Ah, bah non au final.
We really
Pas de combat.
outdid ourselves this time. All those samurai houses packed with goods, we really hit the jackpot. I mean, besides that one house.
Ce signe de samouraï est rempli de marchandises à... On a vraiment touché le jackpot, je veux dire. À part cette maison-là.
You
Ah,
haven't seen anything yet. There'll be a lot more where this came from. Today's just the beginning. I'll be leading you all on an epic journey of pillage and plunder that will go
Clairement
down
pas.
in order. You demand, boss!
These seem like the treasure hoarders we're after. Let's teach them a
pourquoi
lesson.
je suis mouillé? Je suis mouillé? Je vais me sécher moi. Ah, combat! Enfin,
Another test
on va
subject.
faire ça. D'ailleurs, c'est un truc que tout le monde a. J'ai toujours pas vraiment compris le pouvoir du personnage principal. Pour l'instant, il n'a pas l'air super fort.
Oh, there goes all the Mora. We worked hard to steal that, you know?
Oui, bah oui, vous avez volé, justement. C'est la raison principale.
Come on, boss. Think of something.
Mon boss, il va rien faire.
Not bad, kid. You ever think of joining the treasure hoarders? We could use someone like you.
Non, vraiment, il essaie de nous recruter, là.
Kurosawa. Oh, I remember. So he's the one who sent you after us, huh? Just our luck. I knew he shouldn't have hit that place.
Ok.
So what did you see inside? Was it stuffed with food supplies?
Food supplies? You kidding? That place was a complete mess. All we found was a strange-looking box, hopefully with valuables
D'accord, une
inside.
petite boîte.
I didn't want anyone else to see it, so I was planning on opening it myself once we got back. But now that you've caught us, how about we make a deal? That little box for our freedom. What do you say?
Ouais, ça me dit
You got
carrément.
a deal. Now show us what's in the box.
Huh?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What the?
There's nothing in here but IOUs!
Yeah, a lot of them too.
Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est que
And they
ça?
all seem to be made out to the owner of a general goods store, a Miss Aoi.
Oh non,
talking
oh non,
tons
pas
of
encore une
lore
fille.
here.
Non, mais c'est une blague.
We better talk to this Miss Aoi and get to the bottom of this. As
Non,
for
mais
you
non, c'est encore
guys,
une meuf.
you're free to
Putain,
go.
c'est que des problèmes de
Just pray
couple.
that our paths don't cross again.
Yes.
En vrai,
of
Paimon,
course.
elle est un peu genre. Comment dire? Vénère.
So, we redeemed ourselves for some IOUs. Does that mean we broke even?
Shut it. Let's just get out of here.
Il a vraiment dit ça là? Pourquoi pas? D'accord. Bon. Allons voir l'épicerie là, je sais pas quoi. Pour ça, on va se téléporter juste là, on va faire ça rapide. Hop. Oh, c'est elle. Bonjour, Madame Aoi. Est-ce qu'elle est plutôt belle?
Welcome to
Ouais, elle est
Tsukumomono
plutôt belle.
Groceries. We've got everything you need. Can I help you find something?
Oui, tu peux nous aider à...
Or perhaps
Ça, c'est sûr.
there's something you want to inquire about? Ah, so you're friends of Kurosawa, I take it? Perhaps you're here to pay off his debts.
Ah, il a des dettes.
Whoa, whoa, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're just here to learn where they all came from. How did Kurosawa end up owing you so much money? Did he buy anything super expensive here?
Mhm.
Let me think.
Ah, comme ça, laisse-moi y réfléchir. Tu demandes de l'argent et tu sais même pas quoi?
Kurosawa would come regularly to purchase large quantities of foodstuffs. He'd always put the payment on his own account.
Oh non. Oh non. C'est bon, j'ai compris. J'ai compris. Alors, je vous explique. En gros, Kurosawa, là, il donnait bien des vivres à ces deux petits gaillards qui arrêtaient pas d'engueuler au début de la petite histoire, là. Bah, en fait, Kurosawa, il venait ici, il achetait des dorés avec son argent personnel, puis après, il les redonnait aux différents villageois du village qui mouraient de faim. Et du coup, il s'entêtait, il avait de plus en plus de dettes. Et vu qu'il gagnait pas vraiment beaucoup de sous, bah, il s'endettait. Et tout ça pour donner de l'argent à ceux qui en avaient. Tout ça pour donner, pardon, de la nourriture à ceux qui en avaient pas. Et aujourd'hui, il a tout oublié. Oh, putain.
However,
trop triste.
the price of provisions began to skyrocket recently, and his salary was no longer
Ah
enough
voilà,
to cover the
Essentiel ne
cost.
faisait plus à couvrir les
So,
dépenses.
he started writing out IOUs to cover whatever he couldn't afford of the usual amount.
Pour compenser ce qu'il ne pouvait pas payer. Ah ouais.
So that's how he was getting those emergency provisions.
Ouais, c'est ça.
But why did he have to purchase a usual amount? If the prices increased, couldn't he just buy less?
Parce qu'il pouvait pas.
Well, if you think about it, the citizens receiving the emergency provisions must have been carefully calculating how much they needed to sustain them each time.
C'est ça.
Kurosawa thought that it would be quite the disappointment for them if they found they didn't have enough, especially after such long and careful planning. So he deemed it necessary to take on the debt rather than let the people down.
Oh, c'est trop... Putain, c'est trop gentil. En fait, c'est un super mec, Kurosawa.
Purchasing all the emergency provisions at his own expense, and no one ever appreciated what he did. They just complained and held him accountable.
People's attitudes will always reflect their circumstances. In the face of hardship, nobody cares. If you ask me, had Kurosawa told everyone the truth about the supplies from the start, then there wouldn't be such a severe... Of course, I'm sure there would still have been some unrest. What he was doing was truly a thankless deed.
Ouais.
As for why he chose to spend his own money on emergency provisions and never tell anyone, I'm still not too clear myself. If you're still curious, why don't you go ask him yourself?
C'est vrai que c'est bizarre en vrai, pourquoi il a rien dit.
That reminds me, it seems that his vision was recent. Most unfortunate. If he doesn't clear the debt on his name, he'll have no choice but to sell that sword that is so dear to him.
Sword? What sword?
Oh, didn't he tell you? He possesses a very valuable blade. I've asked him about its origins. He told me that it was a gift from his father, that it was too precious to sell. In hindsight, I regret that I never made an offer on it. Everything has its price, at least that's what I think. Why don't you ask him about the sword yourself? Perhaps it'll even provide you with the... Oh, but before you go, if you would kindly settle to...
But we didn't buy anything!
Information is also a kind of commodity, wouldn't you agree? Don't worry, I won't charge much for information about Kurosawa. Nothing we ever discussed was explicitly confidential anyway. Oh, let me think.
At least we now know where the emergency provisions
Ça va,
are
on a...
coming from.
Enfin, dans mon compte personnel, je crois que j'ai 400 000.
We found out that Kurosawa has a priceless sword in his business. Let's go talk to Kurosawa again and see if he can remember any.
Ok, on va aller voir Kurosawa. Coucou toi.
What are you doing here all by yourself? Where did those other two go?
Je sais pas, ils ont dû partir.
I presented them with a choice. Either they left or I drew my sword. They left.
Tu m'étonnes.
It turned out to be a real time saver, actually. Perhaps I should start using it more often. Did you manage to track down the treasure hoarders? Everything I said was true, right?
Oui, oui, on a bien vu.
That just about sums it up. It turns out that you really were distributing emergency provisions, but they were all purchased at your own...
Strange. Is that really the kind of person I was?
A priori, ouais, t'es une personne gentille.
I don't really have any such recollection. Even after all you've told me, I still don't remember anything. Why was I purchasing emergency provisions for everyone? And why would I put myself in such a difficult situation?
Parce que t'es gentil.
But I could not deny that when I brandished my sword to scare those two away, I could sense that my body was somehow reluctant to do so. And this sword was once wielded by my father.
Ah,
I remember once when I was young, I wanted to sneak out with the blade and show it off to the kids next door. My father ended up catching me in the act and scolded. What did he say? I can't say. It would seem that I forgot many important things when my vision was taken from me. All I can remember now is my father telling me that this blade bore his life's creed.
Portait le credo de sa vie.
Before he passed away, he placed the sword and said to me, with...
Hey, if you look carefully, there seems to be some words engraved on the hilt. Can you
peut-être une épée légendaire, hein? Ça dit vertu et justice.
Virtue and justice? Somehow those two words seem to explain everything now. Taking on seemingly endless debts to make others happy. I guess that must have been my greatest ambition after all. But what use are virtue and justice? I purchased the provisions for those in need. And look how things ended up.
Mais t'es gentil.
The Tenryo
Y a pas de
Commission
raison, t'es
seized
juste
my
gentil.
vision. And the very people I was so desperately trying to help
J'essaie de
refused to understand. And the irony of all of it is, I somehow still felt sorry when threatening them with my blade. I'm incapable of being a good
c'est vraiment un
person,
épisode triste hein,
yet
aujourd'hui.
I'm
Hein.
equally unable to be bad. I don't know what to do with myself.
Yet another troubled soul. When we get the chance, let's speak to Toma about Kurosawa's debt. The Yashiro Commission would surely... In any case, we must never let him sell off that sword.
On ne doit jamais le laisser vendre cette épée. Ouais, j'avoue que franchement l'épée, faut pas la vendre. Hein. Si elle a l'air super stylée et tout. Ouais, je suis d'accord.
Seems like losing all ambition is a terrible experience.
Ouais, je ne veux absolument pas perdre mes souvenirs. Hein,
You
et
don't
mon ambition.
have a vision. Let's go find the next poor soul.
Ah d'accord, donc on attaque directement sur la prochaine personne. Je pense que ça va être le moment de se laisser. Voilà. La prochaine personne, on la verra dans la partie 4 du coup de la quête. Je pensais pas que la quête serait aussi longue, je vous avoue. Après c'est normal, c'est une quête d'Archon. Logique que ça soit aussi long. Mais je pensais pas faire autant de parties qui durent autant longtemps. Mais c'est pas grave. Sur ce, je vous souhaite une bonne journée et une bonne soirée. Et je vous dis à la prochaine. Bye bye.